Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here. I want to invite you down to the Boston RV and Camping Expo going on this weekend, January 24th through the 26th. Make your way down Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Bring the entire family and check out Pete's RV massive display with over 30 different RVs on display. We've got teardrops, fifth wheels, toy haulers, travel trailers, motorhomes, classes A, C, you name it, we've got something for every lifestyle. So make your way down to the Boston RV and Camping Expo and take advantage of low monthly payments, huge factory incentives, and financing packages that you're not going to find at any other dealership or any other show. So folks, we want you to make your way down, like I said, January 24th, 25th, and 26th to the Boston RV and Camping Expo and find the Pete's RV display, find these bright yellow shirts, and we'd be more than happy to help you find that perfect RV to fit your lifestyle. For the show, we've also got free storage until spring, so you don't need to get your RV all salty. We've got discounted hitch pricing if you're gonna need a new one, or if you want, we can also set you up. We're gonna give you either a free TV or no payments until April. Whichever one you want, you can decide. That's the best part. So, Pete's RV Center, the yellow shirts, Boston RV and Camping Expo, January 24th, 25th, and 26th. We can't wait to see you there, folks, and happy camping.